Good evening everyone, tonight we're staying at a travel lodge. Yeah, you heard me. Actually, joking. We're staying here at the Grand Hotel in Scarborough. Look how grand this is. Look how beautiful. It's a majestic beast, which has less than favourable reviews online. But you know what? I'm going to form my own opinion. Let's see what the Grand Hotel has to offer.
Come here. Sat there watching us. Thank you.
It's looking lovely and festive. I like it. So room 427, that was so weird. Like, people were trying to get in to the hotel, the doors were locked. They were trying, and then there was a lady just stood on the stairs. It was like, oh, you need to press that button to get in. Wouldn't work. Someone from reception had to literally let us into the hotel. How random! Like, since when did you ask permission to go into a hotel? Really weird. Don't know. The lift's got carpet on it. Literally carpet on the side. Oh, that's random. I don't know which door is about to open. Sorry. This way. So, 427. Oh, I got upgraded as well. I got upgraded to a window room. So that's cool, isn't it? 427. Here we go. Yeah, by the way, it's a key. It's an actual physical key. Here we go, 427. Remember, I got upgraded. I got upgraded. Light on. I got upgraded to this. Key on the bed. I've got a picture of a lighthouse. That's nice. So let's see. What did I get upgraded to? So I got upgraded to a window. I got upgraded to a window. Ooh, where I can see amusements. I can see the castle. I've got a castle view, people. I've got upgraded to a castle view. So that's nice, isn't it? And I can see a turret and a roof. But it doesn't matter. I can see Scarborough Castle from my room, so that's beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. Windows, not too bad, to be fair, I guess. You know. I mean, to be fair, it must be pretty tricky to clean these windows, mustn't it? Like, you know, I mean, the room's nice and warm. Can you hear that? Haunted house vibes, people. That's my bed. Got some towels. That might bug you as well, that's not straight and parallel to the bed frame. Random. Big TV. Oh, that is so loud. Well, I've got a fridge. Is there anything in the fridge? It's a Russell Hobbs fridge. And it's got stains on it. And there's nothing in it, mate. I mean, I didn't expect there to be anything in it, let's be fair. It's reasonably clean as well. Pop your beers in there. Ah, yeah. There's your boy. Got some tea and coffee making facilities. Freeze-dried coffee. Does that add to the flavour of it? Superior quality tea. It's not just any tea, it's superior quality tea. And then usually standard milk. Standard kettle. Is it clean? Can we even get it open? That's pretty immaculate. That's good as new. I'm impressed with that. I'll be utilising that shortly. Mugs nice and clean. Yeah, not that. All good. Pretty spot on so far. Ironing board. I won't be doing any ironing, but if I want to, I can do it on this delightful zebra-y style fashioned ironing board. Now, this is a very old cupboard. Now, these hotel rooms are very much like staying in a spare room at your grand's house. There's the ironing board, iron just haphazardly lobbed onto that shelf. So what? Oh, there's a fan. So if I get too hot, I can plug that beast in and I'll be lovely and chilled. Let's stick out the bathroom, shall we? Let's stick out the bathroom. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay, I just had the sound of someone flushing from upstairs greet me as I entered this beautifully decorated bathroom. Slippery when wet. Plastic cups in a plastic wrapper. I'm fine with that. Good, got 2 of those. Bit of soap just for you. Well, I'd like to think it is just for me. Taps all good. Let's have a look at the shower. Just a little teeny tiny shower head. Oh, that is dirty. Yikes. But overall, it all seems good. There's a couple of... Actually, I think that's a logo, actually. That seems fine. Mat just rolled up in there, nice and tidily, to be fair. Does look a little bit grubby. Yeah. How the curtain looks nice and clean. Looks as good as new. Yeah, I mean, tell you what we'll do. Toilet roll holder. We don't need a toilet roll holder. Rip that off. Don't fill the gaps in, and we'll just put the toilet rolls on the toilet. I'd get told off for that if I was at home. Hygiene bag. Just a bit of sticky tape, stick it on the toilet and hope for the best. Mysterious rectangle, wonder what was there before. So yeah, that's my room. It's diddy, but do you know what? I paid 50 quid for this room and I got upgraded, so what more could I want? I've got a perfectly good shower, perfectly good toilet. Bed looks fine. Yeah. All looks really nice and clean to me. Looks absolutely fine. We'll do a bed test in a minute. And do the lights here. Wall light. Does that... Sorry for those of you who are sensitive to flashing lights there. Centre light. Oh, that turns the main light off. Look at the TV switch is here. That's random, isn't it? I mean, it's convenient because I mean, 2024, you'd use a remote control to turn the TV off. But to be fair, if you're in bed and the remote's all the way over there and you can't be bothered to get out of bed to go and get it, you can just switch it off at the wall. Lovely jubbly. Let's see what's in this drawer. Ooh, a Holy Bible with hopefully, milk stains on it. Please be milk. Placed by the Gideons. And a hairdryer. Got a bin under there here, a nice comfy seat. I mean, it's spot on. Nothing wrong with this. Just had a very mild panic that I didn't bring any shower gel or shampoo with me. But there is this lovely dispenser. That's hopefully full to the brim with. This bathroom's making some weird noises. Let's do a bed test. Oh! It's really comfy. Nothing wrong with this. Spot on. that's coming off, but you know, perfect. Not wrong with this. Do you know what I like as well? Like, you know, sometimes you go to a hotel and this is all tucked in, and I really hate it when they do that. But here, it isn't, and I really like that, and I admire them for it. Look under there, it's good, isn't it? Yeah, bed's really comfy, nice and clean and fresh. Absolutely perfect. Floor's nice and clean too, looks nice and hoovered. Really lovely. The creaky floorboards, I really don't mind because it's actually quite funny. If you can still hear that. It's fine over here, but... So what are you doing staying at the Grand Hotel, Graham? Well, it's my Christmas work night out tonight. So I looked at hotels and this one popped up 50 quid, which is pretty damn reasonable these days for a hotel stay in Scarborough. So snapped it up. I'm gonna go see what the shower's like. I'll let you know. That shower, spot on, perfect, lovely and hot, really good pressure, nice and clean. I don't see what all the fuss is about with the Grand Hotel. It's grubby in places, but I don't really care. I mean, paid 50 quid for basically a seaside hotel, a very popular seaside resort. I'll see how my night's sleep is, and I'll get back to you in the morning. See you then. Oh, it's a windy morning. Absolutely loved my stay at the Grand Hotel for 50 quid. Can't really go wrong with that. I mean, look at its location. Look. Right on the seaside. Absolutely perfection. Yeah, everything was fine. I had a good night's sleep. Wasn't woken up or anything, so absolutely fine. Room, yeah, it's a little bit grubby, but what are you gonna do? Didn't affect my stay in any way, shape or form. The shower was perfectly good. Bed was lovely. I highly recommend Grand Hotel. Do it.